Yeah. Very good. Here you go. You gotta get that leg out. You get that leg out. You can do the splits. It really doesn't look very comfortable. Yeah, that doesn't look all that comfortable. Can you get out? You need some help? You need some help, Booger? Can you get out? Is Mama filming you? Yeah, you push yourself back up. Yay! Yay! You push yourself back up. That was so good. That was so good. Yeah. You're so happy. Yeah, you're so happy. Careful, careful. Careful, you're falling over. You got it? Oh, you got it? You doing leg exercises? See, I do leg exercises. Poke. Now what? Now what? You rolled over? You say hi. You say hi, everybody. I'm a camera hog. I love the camera. Yeah. Where are you going? You got the blanket. You got the blanket. What's on that blanket? Ooh, now what? Now what? You gonna push up? Can you show everybody how you push up? Yeah? Push! There you go. Push! Here you come! Here he comes! Yay! Ah! Say yay! I can flip all over the place. I flip all over, run over. Yay! There goes his legs. Oh, you're coming closer. You gonna come and get me? You gonna come get me? Oh, did you find the carpet? Is that the carpet? Yeah, come get Mama. Oh, come get me. Yay! Look at those legs go. You can get me?